Good afternoon, and today is Valentine's Day, so I figured for those of you who are trying to come up with those last minute phrases on how to be romantic and kind of like, say something nice to your sweetheart, to your snag in Navajo, I figured I'd help you out. So first of all, happy Valentine's Day. Ajéí Bééhániih Nijéí le. Ajéí Bééhániih le, which basically means may your heart be happy because it's Valentine's Day or something like that. So another way you can say happy Valentine's Day in Navajo is also Ajéí Bééhániih Bijí Góne Ajéí Hózhó Hídlí. Ajéí Bééhániih Bijí Góne Ajéí Hózhó Hídlí. Kind of like on Valentine's Day, may your heart be happy with one another, basically, something like that. But it's really hard to translate these things in Navajo. But here are some things you can add to that last minute card that you're trying to write in Navajo if you want to say something nice to your special someone. Díłtli, which means you set my heart on fire. Díłtli. Or to say something similar, you can say Bóhodínínil. Bóhodínínil, which means the same thing, you set my heart on fire. Hodiisgisgo Íinlaa. Íinlaa, like you make me a klutz, or like you kind of like you make me crazy, you make me klutzy. You can also say Hodiisgisgo Íinsin. Hodiisgisgo. You can say Nit'éé Shináá, which means like one look at you blinded me. And we can look at that as a good way as opposed to a bad way. Nit'éé Shináá. Nit'éé Shináá. That's how you say that. Shijéí Hazhó'ó Íinlaa. Shijéí Hazhó'ó Íinlaa. You make my heart slowly tick. Shijéí Hazhó'ó Shijéí Hazhó'ó, which means my heart slowly ticks for you. Kind of cute. Ashíínílaa. Ashíínílaa, which means that you melted my heart. Níltsá means like because of you, my heart stopped. Oh. Shijéí Nish'aah, I give you my heart if you like writing that on a Valentine's Day card. You can say something sweet like Naat'a'go Íinlaa. Íinlaa, like you give me butterflies, or you make butterflies swarm in my stomach or swarm in me or something. To say you're beautiful, you can say Ayo Nish'aah. Ayo, which means you're beautiful. Or you can also say Dola don jonago ayo Íinlaa. Dola don jonago ayo Íinlaa means you're really beautiful. So there's a lot of different ways you can say different things in Navajo, but in case you're trying to write out that last minute card, there are some other options for how to say different things in Navajo. Well, I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you enjoy it with a special someone or with loved ones. Happy Valentine's Day.